Take a look at these flyers. This one right here. This clean design, and even this bold, high-end layout. Every single one of them was created using the new ChatGPT Images 2 model in just a few minutes. Completely free! Now, most people still believe that to create flyers that look this professional, you need years of graphic design experience, or you have to pay a designer every single time. With this new ChatGPT Images 2, you can literally describe the kind of flyer you want, and it generates a clean, professional design with proper text, layout, and style in seconds. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to create professional flyers using ChatGPT Images 2 for free. Let's get started. I've actually put together a full document loaded with high-quality flyer prompts you can start using right away. And I'm not just talking about church designs. I mean business flyers, event posters, promo ads, different styles ready to go. If you want access to that, just drop a comment and I'll send it over. But here's where this gets really powerful. If you stay till the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to generate your own prompts from scratch. So instead of depending on my document, you'll be able to create any flyer design you can imagine, any niche, any style, anytime you want. All right, let's jump in. I'm going to pick one of the prompts from my collection, copy it, and head straight into ChatGPT. Once I'm in, I'll select the image generation option, select the aspect ratio of your choice, and paste the prompt directly. And that's it. Nothing complicated. Now watch this. I hit generate, and within seconds, it starts building a complete flyer layout for me. Let's check this out. Take a look at this. Everything is already in place. The structure, the text, the color balance, the overall composition. This doesn't look like something random. It looks intentional. And that's the difference with this model. It actually understands how designs are supposed to look. No dragging elements around, no guessing fonts, no stress. And of course, you can download it instantly and start using it. Now, this is where things get even more interesting. I'm going to pick another of the prompts from my collection, copy it, and head straight into ChatGPT. Once I'm in, I'll ensure I select the image generation option again and paste the prompt directly. I hit generate, and within seconds, it starts building a complete flyer layout for me. Let's check this out. Take a look at this. Everything is already in place. The structure, the text, the color balance, the overall composition. This doesn't look like something random. It looks intentional. And that's the difference with this model. It actually understands how designs are supposed to look. No dragging elements around, no guessing fonts, no stress. And of course, you can as well download it instantly and start using it. Let me try one more prompt. Maybe a birthday flyer prompt. Same process like before. Copy, paste, and generate. Let's preview it. Now, this is where things get even more interesting. What if you don't have prompts? What if you see a design online and you want something similar? Here's how to solve that. Go over to Pinterest and search for any flyer style you like. Could be a party flyer, business promo, real estate, anything. Scroll until something catches your attention, something that fits your vision. Download that image. Now, bring it into ChatGPT. Upload it and give it this instruction. You are an expert prompt engineer. Analyze this image and generate a detailed prompt that can recreate a flyer design in this exact style. What ChatGPT does next is powerful. It breaks down the entire design, colors, layout, typography, spacing, and converts it into a usable prompt. Now don't just use it as is, edit it. Change the title, adjust the date, swap out details, refine the colors, make it yours. Once you're done, take that prompt and run it through either ChatGPT Images 2. Click Generate, and just like that, you've created a brand new flyer inspired by your idea, but fully customized. And that's the real power here. You're no longer limited. You can create as many designs as you want, whenever you want, without paying for tools or hiring anyone. If this helped you, let me know in the comments.